Here are the 4 things you can do to be the smartest person in the room. First, pagka hindi ka agree sa isang bagay, huwag ka munang mag-explain. Magtanong ka muna. Ask a question like, help me understand ano yung nasa sa isip mo. Or ano yung vision mo dito. Now, of course, you have to ask or listen sincerely, not to respond, but to understand. Second, pagkatapos magsalita ng kausap mo, mag-pause ka ng 3 seconds before you respond. Yung pause na yon, you are telling the other person you are really listening. Third, don't take the credit pag nagbago ang isip ng kausap mo. Hayaan mong ma-feel niya na siya talaga yung nag-decide noon. Kasi ang tao, they don't change their mind dahil natalo sila sa argument. They change their mind because they felt it is the right thing to do. Fourth, watch their body language habang nagsasalita sila. Not just the words that they say. So for example, nag-cross arm ng ganyan, may resistance. Pag maybe ayaw ng eye contact, maybe hindi siya komportable. Pag medyo upright ang upo or napa-lean forward, interesado siya. So those are the signals that tells you if you need more questions to ask or maybe kailangan mo mag-pause or you just stay quiet. Remember this, my friend. The smartest person in the room, they are not just listening. They are studying you.